The Ceptics UP5S is a compact 5-piece international travel adapter plug set designed to keep your devices powered in every corner of the world. Built for light travelers who want essential coverage without the bulk, this non-grounded set includes plug types A, C, E, F, G, and I, compatible with 150 plus countries worldwide. Each adapter features a 2-prong input socket, accepting plugs from the USA, China, Australia, and continental Europe, with an improved metal interface for better conductivity, and a max capacity of 6 amperes and 250 volts. The adapters are crafted from high-quality, durable plastic. CE certified, RoHS compliant, the UP5S delivers reliable performance right out of the pouch. Travel smarter. Stay powered. Anywhere on Earth.